Hi and welcome to the Picked Flower Club in November. Can you believe it? And I'm stood at the back of the garden and I can just see the autumn colours before the leaves really drop from the trees, and then it's sort of the bare woodland at the back. And I'm holding a collection of the flowers that I found in the garden this morning, ready really to inspire, I suppose, in the Picked Members Club, ready for the masterclass tutorial next week. And what we're going to investigate is we're going to work with our odds and ends from the garden, and we're going to look at shape, and we're going to work with floral frogs and create a formal bowl of flowers and a very sort of informal organic shape bowl of flowers as well, using the same or very similar materials, so that we can then have a discussion to see which members prefer, and in terms of if members go ahead and make them, which they enjoyed making the most, and then where you might use informal or formal arrangements in your work as well. So I've got some gorgeous flowers here. You can just see some cosmos, some calendula, rudbeckia there, achilles, a little bit of maloop popping in there, the white one at the front, that creamy gorgeous phlox, along with some touches of foliages. I've got some Pittosporum tom thumb, some of the grasses from the garden, some salvias here with that gorgeous white and green mix in them, and tucked right down some peony foliage as well, one of my all-time favourite foliages to use in my design. So if you're in the Picked Flower Club, I'll see you next week for the masterclass. If you're not in the Picked Flower Club, then you can sign up on my website at thegardenforest.co.uk. Go to the Flower Club and sign up. It's £10 a month, and you do a masterclass or watch a masterclass with me, and there's a range of classes on there, all based on enjoying really the flowers and the foliage from the garden and sort of kick-starting, I suppose, your journey into floristry.